And what's up, amigos? Hey, look, welcome back. Good to see you guys again, and I'm glad you stopped by. Now look, check this out. This video is, well, let me back up a bit. I have been in debate on changing out my headlights. As you can see, I have the traditional style of the halogen headlights. And the reason why I've been thinking about changing out my headlights is because, well, I saw that when I went to Tampa, we arrived in Tampa at nighttime, and these lights ain't so bad, but you know, I wished I could have had some better lighting. The reason why I've been on the fence about it is because I really didn't want to spend the money to do it if I can just get away with just riding around in the daytime, because I don't do a whole lot of nighttime riding. But ironically speaking, as if there were such a thing as irony, I would have to say Providence. I got an email from XPTCD auxiliary lamp, headlight lamp people, and you guys know I don't do this kind of thing, but because I'm thinking about changing my headlights out, I thought, why not give it a go? They asked me if they could send me their product and put it in a video and give my review. Well, I don't know if this is going to be much of a review, because a real review, we need about a couple of weeks of riding at night or whatever, and some kind of time, but we will see how well this thing works, and let's see how this thing goes in. Let's just check it out, and we'll see what we got. Okay, we have the 7-inch headlight here, and it looks like it comes with the backing bracket, the little plug that will plug into the original socket. Also, we got two of these things, passing lamps, and I don't know exactly if I need to rewire something or not, but I'll find that out when I open up those lamps. And it comes with these things. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this either. I really don't even know if I need them or not, because apparently this stuff is applicable from 1997, I believe, electric light, all the way up to 2013. Don't quote me on that, but I tell you what I will do. If you're interested in this stuff, I am going to leave the link down below so you can find this stuff if you're interested in it. You know, not trying to plug anybody, but hey, why not? You know, doesn't seem like a bad product. I don't know. I really don't know. The reason why I don't know, because I haven't put it in yet. So let's see if I can put this in. Okay, let's see what all I have to do with this other than pull the plastic off. This little piggy goes into that hole right there, and oh yeah, okay, it sure does look like I have to replace all of this right here. Okay, so this is the bottom, because apparently this screw hole is what holds this beauty ring on right here. This screw hole right here is what I'm talking about, and this is the top. I guess I'll have to take every one of these little screws out that's screwed into the plastic housing or the fairing, and just get that out of there, and then I hope the bolt pattern is the same. It sure looks like it might be. So let's get to it. Well, already looking kind of space age, doesn't it? I'm talking to the missus who's holding the camera, but she's not answering me because she doesn't know she can say anything. Apparently I don't need this piece anymore, because it came with a nice shiny black one. It looks a bit more substantial than what comes stock. So that's kind of cool. Let's see if my stock beauty ring though will fit this. I have absolutely no idea if this is going to work, guys, so it's not like it's staged. How about that? Works like a charm. Can't really tell much in the daylight. We'll have to take a ride at nighttime to see how it works, but let's see if we can get these passing lamps on. I wonder if they'll just go right in just like a song, you know? Okay, about what I expected. This is old-timey, and it looks like the connectors on the other ones are not old-timey, so let's see what we'll have to do to make them work. Okay, these are the connectors to the fog lamps. So what I'm thinking is this wire here is going to be the hot wire, and the black wire is going to be a ground. This wire here is going straight to the housing, which means that's the ground, and this wire here is obviously a hot wire. So I think what I'm going to have to do, came with this stuff right here, these little butt connectors, I guess that's what they're called. So I'll just connect one of these to here to the next wire, and then crimp them down with some wire crimpers and put it together, and we'll see if it works that way. Okay, I'm back. I got some wire crimpers, or wire strippers shall I say, but I don't like using these to crimp stuff. I don't know, I feel better when I use channel locks, because these are definitely going to make some stuff squish together. So now, as I have said, apparently the black wire is the ground, and this gray wire, which is attached to the red wire, is the hot. So I am assuming that you want to get these colors matched and make sure that when you plug this in, you have red, red, black, and black, just like that. Plug them in, fire in the hole, check that out. Okay, we got everything connected, as you can see right here, and the light worked. So we're gonna go ahead and stuff everything up in here, just like that. That looks kind of thick. I'm not too sure about how that's gonna work compared to the old light. Will the beauty ring go on there, even with the little visor? I don't know. I haven't done it yet, so you guys are gonna find out with me. All right, check that out. It looks like it worked out. I guess looks can be deceiving. So, as you guys saw how all that went together, just for the poops and giggles, the missus is gonna film me doing the other one, just for the heck, for having some B-roll. Anyway, there she is. Isn't she such a beauty? Check it out. And we have power. Now, it is daylight, as I was saying, so we're gonna wait a few hours for nightfall, and we're gonna check it out to see how well this thing lights up the road, all right? So until then, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Holy moly, look at that! This thing lights up all of Harrison County. I cannot believe my eyes. I mean, both sides of the road are freaking lit up like a Christmas tree, and then some. I was not expecting that. I definitely got more than what I had expected. I hope this car coming up over the hill isn't blinded by my lights. He might flash me. I mean, if I was him, I would have flashed the bright lights at me too. I really am impressed by this. I mean, this is not something I was expecting. If you guys are interested in this thing, I will leave a link down below in the description, so you can go and check them out. I'm kind of impressed at the moment. I will definitely do a review probably about 6 weeks down the road or something like that, or to let you know if this thing's still going or not, see how durable they are. But as far as I can tell, I think it's worth the money. But anyhow, but before I go, don't forget, down below you will also see I do have some shirts for sale, coffee mugs, hoodies, stuff like that, so feel free to check out that link too. Like I always say, guys, I don't know what the heck I'm going to film next, but I hope it is interesting enough to keep your attention. So you guys keep the rubber side down and you be good to yourselves, and thanks a lot.